In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello board for clients. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step in setting up your Trello board is to log in and access your dashboard. You'll want to navigate to Trello.com. From there, you can log in using either your email address or your Google account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can see all your existing boards or create new ones when you need them. Now let's move on to creating or opening a board. If you already have an existing board that you want to use for your client project, go ahead and open that. If not, you can easily create a new one. Look for the option that says Create Board. Click on it, and a window will pop up where you can name your board. Try to choose a name that reflects the client you're working with or the specific project you're managing. Once you've set it up, you're ready to start organizing. Next, it's time to structure your workflow with lists. Lists act as categories for the different stages of your work. A good starting structure includes 3 essential lists: To Do, In Progress, and Done. This allows you to visualize what needs to be done, what's currently being worked on, and what's already completed. But don't hesitate to customize this to fit your client's specific needs. You might need additional lists like awaiting feedback or client review, depending on your workflow. Just click the Add a List option, give it a name, and keep building your structure. Now we're going to manage tasks with cards. Cards represent individual tasks under each list. So for example, in your to-do list, you might create a card titled Design Website Mockup. To create a card, just click on the Add a Card option beneath the list you're working on, enter your task title, and hit Enter. This takes you to a detailed view where you can manage the task more profoundly. Here's where it gets interesting. You can assign team members to specific tasks by clicking on the Members option within the card. This is a great way to clarify responsibilities. Next, you might want to add labels to indicate priority levels for the tasks. Maybe green for low priority, yellow for medium, and red for high. It helps you and your client quickly assess how urgent a task is. Another handy feature is creating checklists within your cards. If your task has multiple subtasks, you can list them out in a checklist format, making it easy to track progress without losing sight of the bigger picture. Lastly, don't forget about deadlines. Setting deadlines is crucial for keeping all client deliverables on track. You can add due dates by clicking on the Due Date option in the Card Management view. This way, everyone involved knows when tasks need to be completed. And there you have it. You're all set up to manage your client projects efficiently using Trello. Happy organizing, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.